Hi guys. Now today discuss about basic calculations in CRT. Clear? So basic calculations means like multiplication tricks, addition rules, subtractions, square roots. Clear? So now discuss multiplication tricks. For example, 24 24 into 25. So find the value. Okay, 24 into 25. So what is the value of 24 into 25? Clear? But in CRT, so we have to four options. So option A 500, option B 550, option C 600, option D 650. Clear? So first question, 24 into 25. So find the value. So four options is there. Option A 500, option B 550, option C 600, and option D 650. Okay, in this question, so how to solve in smart way? Okay, CRT is nothing but like smart thinking. Clear, all of you? So how to solve in smart way means using digital root method. How to three methods? So okay, first one is digital root method, second one is crisscross method, and the last one is base method. Okay, so you know all of you base method and crisscross method, but how to using digital root method? Okay, so fine. So using digital root method, what is the first one? Digital root method. Okay, digital root slash unit digit method. Unit digit. Clear, all of you? So first one is what? Digital root slash unit digit. Okay, how to solve? So what is the purpose of unit digital root method means? In this question, 24 into 25. So 24 means how many digits? Two digit number, and 25 is also two digit number. Okay, first we'll converting the single digit. 24 means two digit number. So simplify the single digit. How to simplify the single digit means clubbing, means adding these two numbers. So converting into single digit means 24. 24 means 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 means 6 into, again 25 is the two digit number. So again, so converting into single digit. So 2 plus 5, what is the value? 7. So 6 7 jars, no product rule. Okay, so 6 7 jar, what is the 6 7 jars? 42. 42 is also so double digit number, again converting into single digit. Okay, again converting into single digit. So 4 plus 2, so what is the answer? 6. 6 is what? So LHS means 6. So LHS, you know all of you, LHS is equal to RHS. This is some basic rule. Okay, so what is the LHS value? 6. So equal to RHS. What is the RHS values? So given options. Okay, so given options means option A 500, option B 550, option C 600, option D 650. Okay, so what is the first one? So first option is 500. Again, this is the three digit number. So converting into single digit. This is the option A is three digit number. Again, this number is also converting into single digit. How to convert? You know all of you. So 5 plus 0, that is equals to 5 plus 0 0. Mean 5 plus 0 5. Again 0. So what is the answer of 5? 5 equal to 6 or not equal to 6? So 5 not equal to 6. So option A is not satisfied. Again option B 550. So it is equals to, again converting into single digit. 5 plus 5 plus 0. So 5 plus 5 plus 0, that is equals to 10. 5 plus 5 10. 10 again, so two digit number. 10 is also two digit number. Again converting into single digit, that is equal to 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. 1 equal to 6 or not equal to 6? 1 not is equals to 6. So option B also not satisfied, and option C 600, that is equals to, again this is also three digit number, again converting into single digit. So 6 plus 0 plus 0, that is equals to 6 plus 0 plus 0, what is the answer? 6. 6 equal to 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so option C is satisfied, and take it last option also. Okay, again one more option is there, 650. So you have to same also, 650 is a three digit number, that is equals to, so converting into single digit means 6 plus 5 plus 0, that is equals to 6 plus 5 means 11. 11 is also two digit number, again converting into single digit. 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. So 2 equal to 6 or not equal to 6? 2 not equal to 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. What is the condition? So option A is not satisfied. So 5 not equal to 6. Option B 1 not equal to 6. Option D also 2 not equal to 6. What is the answer? LHS is equal to RHS. The option is C is the correct answer. Clear? LHS is also 6. RHS is also 6. 6 equal to 6. So answer is LHS is equal to RHS. So option C is the correct answer. Clear? And one more option. One more question. So for example, 12 into 12. Okay. Clear? What is that 12 into 12? You know, all of you. Okay. Answer 144. So find the value of 12 into 12. You have to four options. First option is 144, and second one is 120, and third one is 121. Fourth one is 110. Clear, all of you? One more question. 12 into 12. So what is the answer? Exact answer is 144. You know, all of you. Clear? So have to four options. Option A 144. Option B 120. Option C 121. Option D 110. So same using digital root method. 12 is the two-digit number. So using digital root method, what is the main reason? What is the main purpose? Converting into single digit. What is the main purpose? So using digital root method. So first of all, the converting into single digit. You have to two-digit number. First, we'll converting the single digit. So 12 two-digit number. Again 1 plus 2. What is the number? 3. So means converting means like adding these two numbers. Clear? So 3 into again two-digit number 1 plus 2. So again 3. 3 into 3 is equals to 9. What is the LHS value? So LHS is 9. So equal to RHS. What is the RHS values? What are the RHS values? Means given options. So option A 144 equal to 9 or not. Okay. 120 is equals to 9 or not, and 121 is equals to 9 or not. Again 110. So first option is, what is the 144? Again this is the three-digit number. So first we're converting single digit. So 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is equals to 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 4 9. Clear? So 9 is equals to 9. So option A is satisfied. And check it one more option. Option B, that is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 0. Clear? 1 plus 2 plus 0, that is equals to 1 plus 2 means 3. So 3 equal to 9 or not is equals to 9. So 3 not equal to 9. So option B not satisfied. Option C. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. Here also three-digit numbers. First we converting single digit. Okay. So after that LHS is equal to RH. Check it. LHS is equal to RHS. So again option C 121. Here also three-digit number. So converting into single digit means 1 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 means 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 1 4. So that is equals to, what is the answer? 4. 4 equal to 9 or not equal to 9? 4 not equal to 9. And one more option. So 110. That is equals to same. 1 plus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 0 again 2. 2 is equals to 9 or 2 not equal to 9? So 2 not equal to 9. So here what is the answer? LH is equal to RHS, means option A is the correct answer. So LH is equal to RHS, and option B is not satisfied, option C is not satisfied, and option D also not satisfied. Clear? So, and one more question. This is what only for two-digit numbers. 24 into 24 is the how many digit number? Two-digit number. And 25 is also two-digit number. And 12 is the two-digit number. Again 12 is the two-digit number. And one more in case three-digit number. So 123 into 321. 123 into 321. So find the value. 123 into 321. Find the value. Here is what? Three-digit numbers. So before that what? Only for using, solving two-digit numbers, only for two-digit into two-digit. Okay, now solving. So three-digit number, 1 2 3 means how many digits? Three-digit number. Again one more three-digit number. So how to? So here option A. So 39483. Clear? Option A 39483. So next option 38483. So one more option 37483. Clear? And last option none of these. Clear? You have to three-digit number. So choosing three-digit number 123 into 321. Okay. Option A. Here also. So compulsory in CRT have to four options, multiple choice questions. Clear? So no doubt at all. So 99.99% using digital root method in this type of questions. Okay. So what is the number? 123 into 321 means 3-digit number. So using digital root method, first we'll converting single digit. This is the 3-digit number. Converting into single digit means adding these three numbers. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3, what is the answer? 6 into again 3 2 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1, what is the answer? Again 6. So 6 into 6, that is equals to 6 into 6 means 36. 36 is what? 2-digit number. Okay, again converting into single digit. Okay, 3 plus 6, oh, what is the answer? 9. What is the LHS value? So 9. So equal to RHS values. What are the RHS values means? Given options. So option A 39483, option B 38483, option C 37483. So here also same. How many digit number? Here also 5-digit number. So simplify the converting into single digit first. So what is that? 3 plus 9 plus, what is that? 4 plus 8 plus 3. 3 plus 9 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3. What is the answer? 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 means again double digit number. 27 means again double digit number, again converting into single digit. What is the answer? 2 plus 7, what is the? So 9. So 9 equal to 9. So option A satisfied. And check it one more, option B. So same also, 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3. Clear? So here also same, converting into single digit. Anyone using digital root way, so go for converting into first thing. This converting into single digit. Enough. Okay. 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3. So 3 plus 8. What is the answer? 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 8. What is that? 23. 23 plus 3, 26. 26 means, what is the? Again double digit number. Again converting into single digit. 2 plus 6. That is equals to 8. 8 equal to 9 or not equal to 9? So 8 not equal to 9. Option B not satisfied. And option C, so same. Here also 5-digit number. So converting into single digit means 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3. Clear? 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3. So is equals to 25. So 7 plus 3, 10. Okay. So 10. So 14. 14, 8, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 25 is also 2-digit number. Again converting into single digit. 2 plus 5. What is the answer? So 7. 7 equal to 9 or not equal to 9? So 7 not equal to 9. So what is the answer? LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS means what? 9, and RH is also option A is satisfied. So this is a 3-digit number process. Okay. Before that we are solving 2-digit number, and after that 3-digit number. Clear all of you? So LHS is equal to or equal to LHS is equal to RHS. LHS means question. RHS means given options. Clear? So converting into single digit. So after that LHS is equal to RHS. Enough. That is the answer. Option A is satisfied. That is the, so 39483 is the original answer. Clear all of you? And one more option, one more question. So for example, so 1 2 into, okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 into 1 2 3 4. Here also what? Here is first one is 2-digit number, second one is 4-digit numbers. So in this question, using digital root method, yes, go for digital way. So first option, so first option is 14808, and second option 12000, and third one is 11200. Clear? So and fourth one is so none. Clear? So what is the question? 12 into 1 2 3 4. 1 2 into 1 2 3 4. First one is 2-digit number, and the second number is so 4-digit number. So in this case, using digital root method, yes, go for digital root method. Same also, converting into single digit first. Here also 2-digit number. Not worried. Only here is 2-digit and here is 4-digit. So not worried. Go for digital root method. So first of all, converting into single digit. Enough. Okay. So 1 2. This is a 2-digit number. Converting into single digit means 1 plus 2. What is the 3? 3 into, so again here also 4-digit number, so again converting into single digit. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So 10. 10 means again double digit number, means 1 plus 0, that is equals to 1. 3 into 1. So that is equals to, what is the LHS value? So 3. So equal to RHS value. So what are the RHS values? Means given options. So what is the first option? So first option is equals to 14808. 14808. Sorry. First one option is what? 14808. So this is the 5-digit number. So converting into single digit. Okay. Using distributive method. So go for, so converting into single digit. Okay. 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 0 plus 8. Okay. 8 plus 0 plus 8. That is equals to, what is the answer? 18 plus 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 means again double digit number. So again converting into single digit. That is equals 2 plus 1. So 3. So option A is satisfied or not satisfied? So option A is satisfied. And option B, so option B means option B is also, so that is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equals to 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Again 0, 0. So what is the answer? 3. Option B also satisfied. And option C is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0. So that is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 0 means again 4. 4 not equal to, so 3, mean 4 not equal to 3. So here in this question, option A is satisfied, option B is satisfied. Okay. Option C is not satisfied, and option D is none of these. Okay. So option A, option B, which one is correct answer? So how to solve in this question? We have two options. Okay. So what is the go in case this is a good method, what? So only for 3, LHS is equal to RHS, but here the LHS has two values. Okay. Option A is satisfied and option B is satisfied. But how to solve in this situation? So here one more method. What is the method? Unit digit. Okay. So before that, what using distal root method? In case we have two options equal to LHS is equal to RHS. In the RHS values, two values is there. Mean option A is satisfied, option B is satisfied. Go for unit digit method. Go for unit digit method. In this case, what is the units place values? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the units place values? So 4 is the units place value. Okay. And 1, 2. Here also 2 is the units place value. So what is the both are multiplying? These two numbers product means 4 to 0. What is the ending value? So 8. In the given options, what is the ending value? 8 is the answer. So 14808. Here also ending value 8. Okay. And here also 0. So which option is correct answer? So option A is the correct answer. Clear all of you? Using unit digit method. Here also units place value is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the units place value? 4. Again 1, 2. What is the units place value? 2. So both are multiplying. 4 into 2. So 4 to is 8. And what is the answer? Ending value compulsory must one should be 8 is there. That is the answer. Okay. 14808 first option and 12000 second option. What is the ending value? 8. So option A is the ending value 8. So option A is the correct answer. Clear all of you? So here it is the distributed method. And one more, anything, whatever it may be, any question. For example, one more question, 13 into 13. You know all of you 13 into 13 value. Okay, what is the value? 169. Clear? So find the value of 13 into 13. Option A. So 120. Option B 124. Option B is 124. And option one more option 169. Okay. So how to solve? Same also. Here also 2-digit number and here also 2-digit number. 1 plus 3 4 into again 1 plus 3 4. 4 into 4 is equals to 16. 16 means what? Double digit number. Again converting into single digit. So 1 plus 6, that is equals to 7. Okay. What is the LHS value? LHS is 7. So go for LHS is equal to RHS. So what are the RHS means? Given options. Okay. Option A is equals to same. This is the 3-digit number. So converting into single digit. 1 plus 2 plus 0. 1 plus 2 plus 0 means what is the answer? So 3. 3 equal to 7 or not equal to 7? 3 not equal to 7. So option A is not satisfied. And second option, so equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4 means again 4 plus 2. 6. 6 plus 1. So 7 equal to 7. 7 equal to 7. So option B is satisfied. And one more option, 1 plus 6 plus 9. Okay, 1 plus 6 plus 9. So 10, 10 plus 6, 16. 16 means that is equals to 7. So option C also satisfied. Which one is correct answer? Go for unit digit method. Okay, this is the unit digit digital root method. So not satisfied the digital root method. So after that, we have two options. Option B is correct answer, equal to 7. Option C also equal to 7. Which one is correct answer? So go for this, unit digit method. Go for unit digit method. So what is the unit place value? 3. Here also what is the unit place value? So 3. Clear? So both are multiplying. 3 into 3. What is the value? 9. What is the ending value? 9 in the given options. So option C is the ending value 9. Clear all of you? So this is the digital root and unit digit method. So which one is correct option? Option C is the correct answer. Clear all of you? So this is the digital root and unit digit method.
This conference will now be recorded.
So in this method, using this type of questions also. So for example, 8 into, clear? 8 into 3.75 power 3, okay, 3.75 cube plus 1 plus 1 divided by, clear, divided by 7.5 square, 7.5 square minus 7.5 square minus what is the 6.5. So find the value. Okay, what is the value of 8 into 3.75 cube plus 1 divided by 7.5 square minus 6.5. So how to solve in this question? Less than minute. Okay, so in CRT means more not time taking process, only for time management process. Okay, so in this question how to solve in less than minute? Okay, so how to solve? So go for digital root method. So here are four options. Option A 7.4. Okay, option B 7.5, option C 8.4, option D 8.5. There are four options. Okay, so same way go for digital root method. Okay, so how to solve? First we'll simplify the question. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS. What is the question? 8 into 3.75 cube plus 1 divided by 7.5 square minus 6.5. Okay, so here is 3.75. So not using for decimals. Okay, 375. So total how many digit number? So using digital root method, what is the purpose? So converting into single digit first. Okay, here also how many digit number? So 3-digit number. Okay, so 3-digit number means 375. That is equals to 375 means what? 3 plus 7 plus 5. Clear? 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15. 15 means again double digit number. So again converting into single digit. So 1 plus 5, that is equals to 6. Here what is the question? 8 into 6 cube. What is the 6 cube? 6 cube. So simplify the single digit. 8 into, in this case, in this place, what is the value? 6. So 6 means what? 375 is the, not 3.75. So eliminate the decimal value also. Okay, using decimal, not using for decimals. So 375. So 375 means 3-digit number. So 3 plus 7 plus 5. What is the 15? 15 also double digit number. 2-digit number. So again converting into single digit. 1 plus 5. So that is equals to 6. So plus 1. Okay, and divided by means what is the 7.5? So how many digit? 2-digit number. So 7.5 means 75. Okay, so not using decimal. Okay, 7.5 means 75. Here also 2-digit number. Same converting into single digit. 7 plus 5. So that is equals to 7 plus 5 means so 12. 12 means so again double digit number. 12 means again converting into single digit. 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3. So here to what is the 3 square? 3 square. 3 square minus what is the last option? Last one, 6.5. 6.5 means what? So here also 2-digit number. So 6.5 means 65. That is equals to 6 plus 5. That is equal to 6 plus 5. 11. 11 means again double digit number. So again converting into single digit. So 1 plus 1 means 2. So in this place you can write down 2. Clear? So find the value. Find the value. So 8 into 6. 6 cube means what? 6 into 6 into 6. What is the answer? 6 cube means 216. Clear all of you? So 8 into 216. Okay, 8 into 216 plus 1 divided by, so what is the 3 square means? 3 square means 9. So 9 minus 2, that is equals to, so 8 into, here also using distributive method. Okay, 216 means 3 digit number. Again converting into single digit. 216 means what? 216 means 3 digit number. So 216, that is equals to 2 plus 1 plus 6. So that is equals to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9. In this place you can write on 9. Clear? So you can write on 9. So 8 into 9 in 9 plus 1. Clear? 9 minus 2. What is the answer? 7. Okay. 8 into 9. So 8 into 9 means 8 9 jars 72. 72 means again double digit number. Double digit means converting into single digit. 7 plus 2 9. Clear all of you? 72 plus 1. So 72 means again double digit number. 72 means what? 72 is equals to 7 plus 2, that is equals to 9. So 9 plus 1. What is the answer? 9 plus 1, that is equals to 10. 10 means double digit number. Converting into single digit, that is equals to 1. What is the, so what is the numerator value? 1. Denominator means 7. What is the totally? So 1 by 7. The LHS answer is 1 by 7. That is equals to 1 by 7. So equal to RHS values. 1 by 7. This is the LHS value. So equal to RHS. What is the option A? Option A is 7.4. Okay. 7.4 means what? 74. Okay. 74 means 2 digit number. Converting into single digit. So 7 plus 4, that is equals to 7 plus 4 11. 11 means 2. 1 plus 1. Okay. 2 is equal to 1 by 7. So we have to cross multiplication. 7 2s are, 7 2s are what? 14. 14 is equals to 1. 14 equal to 1. 14 means double digit number. So 1 plus 4. So 5 equal to 1. So 5 equal to 1 or not equal to 1? So 5 not equal to 1. So 5 is equal to 5 equal to 1 is correct answer. No, 5 not equal to 1. So not equal to. Clear? 5 not equal to 1. And one more option, second option. So option A is not satisfied. Option B 7.5. 7.5 is equals to 75. 75 means 12. 12 means 3. 3 equals to 1 by 7. So 1 by 7. Both are, I mean, cross multiplying. So 3 7 just 21. 21 means 2 plus 1 3. 3 equal to 1 or not equal to 1. So 3 not equal to 1. Option B also not satisfied. Option B also not satisfied. And option C 8.4. So 8.4 is equals to, what is the 84? 84 means 2 digit number. So 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 means 12. 12 means 3. 3 equal to 1 by 7. So again 3 not equal to 1. Okay. And option C also not satisfied. Okay. And option D 8.5. Okay, clear? 8.5, that is equals to 8.5 means 85. 85 means 13. 13 means 1 plus 3 means 4. 4 is equals to 1 by 7. So same cross multiplications. So 4 7 just 28 is equal to 1. 28 means double digit number. So 28 means double digit number. Okay, so go for converting into single digit. 28 means 2 plus 8 means 10. So that is equals to 10. 10 means double digit number. So 1 plus 0 means 1. So 1 equal to 1. What is the LHS is equal to RHS? What is the option? D is the correct answer. Clear all of you? In this type of questions, you can go for digital root method. Not a problem. Okay, but not using decimal. Okay, so eliminate the decimal and clubbing the values and go for digital root method. So it also one of the best thing, best way in CRT purpose. Clear all of you? So here also digital root method. Okay, clear?
This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, yes. And one more shortcut, square roots, all of you, like 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, like that. So I'm asking, so 2 power 1, clear? 2 power 1 is equals to, what is the value? 2, and 2 square, clear all of you? All of you square roots. So 2 power 1 is equals to 2, 2 square. 2 square is equal to, what is the answer? 4, clear? 2 square equal to 4, and 2 cube is equal to 8, and 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is equal to, what is the answer? 16. Okay, all of you 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, but I'm asking directly 2 power, what is the value of 2 power 9? Find the value of 2 power 9. So how to solve? So some persons are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, and how many times? 9 times. So in 9 2s are multiplying, like 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into, so this is the lengthy process. Okay, but how to smart way means, so value of every four numbers. For example, 2 power 1 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16, and next one is, for example, next one means what? 2 power 5, clear? 2 power 5 is equals to, what is the value? Ending value is 2. Remember, ending value is 2, and 2, next one, 2 power 6, 2 power 6 equal to, what is the value? Ending value. So 4 is the ending value, clear? And next one, what is the next one? 2 power 7, 2 power 7 is equal to, what is the ending value? 8. What is the ending value? 8. And what is the next one? So 2 power 8, clear? 2 power 8, that is equal to, what is the ending value? 6. Clear all of you? First one is what? 2 power 1. You know the value of 2 power 1? 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16. So after that 2 power 5. But how to write 2 power 5? So some persons are in 2 square into 2 cube. You know the value of 2 square. So 4, 2 cube 8. So 8 4 us 32. Okay, so some persons like, and but my question, so the values of four values, the first four values, 2 power 1 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16. Clear? What is the 2 power 4 5? So the ending value 2, and here 2 power 1 2 power, what is the difference between how many numbers? Four numbers. Means every four numbers must be ending value is the same. Every four numbers. For example, here also one more option. What is the option? 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is equals to, what is the ending value? 2. Clear all of you? Means what? What is the difference? 2 power 1, 2 power 5. What is the difference? 4. 2 power 5, 2 power 9. What is the difference between difference? 4. So every four values must not should be the ending value is the same. For example, what is the answer? 32. Okay. What is the answer? 32. And 2 power 6, what is the ending value? 4. 2 power 6 means what? 64. 64 means 64. Again 128. Clear? And 256. 256. Clear? So ending value same. For example, in examination, so I'm asking this question. So in examination, asking for this question, what is the question? What is the value of 2 power, what is the value of 2 power 8? Find the value of 2 power 8. How to solve? So there are four options. Option 1 120, option 2 121, 146, 256. Clear? So option A 120, option B 121, option C 146, option D 256. How to solve? So first, the value of 2 power 4. Okay, what is the 2 power 4 ending value? 6. Again also 2 power 8, what is the ending value? 6. But here also two options is 6. Okay, 256, 240, 146. Which one is correct answer? So now 2 power 8, how to convert the 2 power 8? So 2 power, what is the 2 power 4, clear, into, so 2 power 4, 2 power 4 into 2 power 4. What is the base or equal? Adding the powers. So equal to 2 power 8. You know the value of 2 power 4. Okay, what is the 2 power 4? 16 into 16. So okay, 16 to 16. Here also more calculations. But go for digital root method. Okay, go for digital root method. What is the 16 means 2-digit number converting into single digit. So 1 plus 6, 7. Again 1 plus 6, 7. 7 into 7, 7 sevens, 49. 49 means again double digit number. So 49 means what? 13. 13 means equal to 4. Equal to 4. What is the LHS value? So LHS value 4. And so equal to the RHS values. What are the RHS values? Means given options. 121 is not satisfied. 121 is also not satisfied. And first check it. Here also both are 6 ending value. Okay. And check it. So 1 plus 4 plus 6. So 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 means 2. 2 equal to 4 or not equal to 4? 2 not equal to 4. So not satisfied. And so remaining only one option. What is the option? 2 plus 5 plus 6. So 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6. What is that? 13. 13 means equal to 4. 4 equal to 4. Which one is correct? Option D is the correct answer. So LHS is equal to RHS. But you know, first of all, you know the values of first every 4 values. I mean first 4 values. Clear? 2 power 1, 2. 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16. Enough. For example, third table. So 3 power 1. What is the value? 3. Next 3 square. Next one is 3 square equal to what is the value? 9. 3 cube. Clear? 3 cube. So what is the value? 27. Next one 3 power 4. What is the 3 power 4? What is the value? So 81. Clear all of you? 3 power 1 3. 3 square 9. 3 cube 27. 3 power 4 81. Enough. These 4 values. Okay. And what is the 3 power 5 value? Okay. What is the 3 power 5? What is the 3 power 5 equal to? What is the ending value? 3. Enough. Okay. What is the ending value? 3. Again, wait, 3 power 5. 3 power 5 equal to what is the ending value? 3. And 3 power 6 equal to what is the ending value? So 9. Clear? For example, how to find the 3, 4, 6 value? Okay, so 3 cube into 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. 27 into 27. That is the go for digital root method. 2 plus 7, 9. Again, 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9. So 9 9s is 81. 81 means equal to 9. Here also ending value 9. So answer is ending value is the 9 is the answer. Clear all of you? So this is the process. And one more, fourth also, fifth also, 5 is the different. 5 is always ending value 25. Okay, 6 always ending value 6. 5 is always 5. Okay, for example, I mean 7 also go for this way, 8 also this way, 9 also this way. Only 5 and 6. Only for 5 and 6 means the ending value is same number. We'll repeat the same number. Clear? So for example, 5 square. What is the 5 square value? What is the 5 square value? You know all of you? 25. What is the 5 square value? 25. Suddenly I'm asking 25 square value or 55 square value or 75 square value. What is the 75 square value? How to find? Some persons are 75 into 75. So here also same using digital root method. Okay, 75 means 2-digit number. 7 plus 5. Okay, so 12. 12 means 3. 3 into 3, 9. So that is the LHS value. So equal to RHS value. But in this simple way, 5 square, you know what is the value? Ending value 25. Next one is 5 square is 25. I'm asking 15 square value. What is the value of 15 square? So what is the answer? Here also same. Here also 5 square. Okay, here also 5 square. 5 square means what is the ending value? 25. Okay, what is the ending value? 25. And the first number is what? So 1. What is the forward number? Next number. 1 into the product of 1 into next number. 1 into next number. 1 into next number. Next number means what? So 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means what? 1 into 2. So equals to 2. What is the answer? 225. Clear? 1 into 2 equal to 225. Again, 55 square. 55 square. Find the value of 55 square. Here also same. Here also 5 square. Yes. So here also same. 5 square. 5 square means what? What is the ending value? 25. Clear all of you? And what is the next one? What is the number? First number 5. 5 into what is the next number? 6. 5 into 6 equal to 5 6 30. What is the answer? So 3025. 3025 is the answer. This is the one way. Okay. This is the 5 square. Anything, whatever it may be. So 5 square, 25 square, 45 square, 95 square, whatever it may be. Clear all of you? So this is a smart way. For me, in this type of question using this root method, most probably. Clear all of you? Thank you.